Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in a Cadillac SRX. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off before you begin. Next, you'll need to find the low-pressure service port on your AC system, which is typically marked with an L and is smaller than the high-pressure port. This crucial first step ensures a safe and effective recharge process. Now, let's connect your AC recharge kit. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your kit to the low-pressure service port you just located. Make sure the refrigerant can is upright and securely screwed onto the hose. Once connected, start your Cadillac SRX engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This prepares the system to accept the new refrigerant efficiently. With the engine running and AC on full, it's time to add the refrigerant. Slowly squeeze the trigger on the can in short bursts, allowing the refrigerant to enter the system. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. This is vital to prevent overfilling, which can damage your AC. Stop adding refrigerant once the gauge reads within the manufacturer's recommended pressure range, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the correct pressure is achieved, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. Turn off your Cadillac SRX engine and perform a quick visual check for any leaks around the port. If everything looks good, you're all set. You should now experience a much cooler cabin, making your drives more comfortable. Enjoy your refreshed air conditioning system.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.